Today I went and picked up the brand new Galaxy S23 Ultra, and we're about to unbox it and take a quick look at it. So here it is. I've been super excited to pick this thing up. I've been waiting for release day. Super funny because I just bought my first Android, the Galaxy S22 Ultra, last week, and I'm already buying another Android. So it appears the S22 has made a good impression. All right, here we go. Ooh, there it is. Looks like we have the standard, probably books, maybe a SIM card to it. Yep, books. Looks like a cable in here. Is this braided? No, it's not braided. Okay. Would have been nice to have a braided cable, but it is what it is. So we'll set all that aside, and we are left with the phone. See if we can get this little tab right here. Lift up, lift off that cover. That is a beautiful phone. I just realized my S Pen was sticking out. Interesting. We'll snap that back in there. Take off this cover. Ultra satisfying. And we will boot it up. While it's booting up, I want to go over really quickly how this thing feels in the hand. It feels really good. I definitely like this feel better than the S22 Ultra. I have a case on this, so let's pop this off real quick. Can get a feel. Yeah, so the S22 Ultra is it's really rounded. With the S23 Ultra, it's more square, which is more my style. I just find it a little bit easier to hold. It's definitely thicker, and of course the camera bump is noticeably bigger. I'm not sure if it's actually that much bigger or if it's just the aluminum frame around the camera edges. Either way, it's not too much bigger. So we'll go ahead and set this up here.
3 hours later.
You guys didn't have to sit through that, but I just had to search the internet for 30 minutes to figure out how to set this thing up without a SIM card. So yeah, that was not fun. I'm gonna sign into my Google account real quick. So we'll just skip all this for now. You have light and dark mode. We of course are going to go for the dark mode. And here it is, finally. Yeah, the phone looks great. Screen looks very sharp. I don't think it is on the highest resolution by default. Yeah, so it's actually on FHD Plus by default. So you definitely want to go in there. If you do want a little bit of a sharper screen, change it to WQHD Plus. But it is going to take a hit on your battery life a little bit. But hey, if you're paying $1,200 for a phone or $1,300 or however much, I'm gonna use that display. So yeah, comparing it just really quickly, yeah, I definitely like the feel of this one better than the S22 Ultra. Let's look at the cameras really quick. So looking at these two photos, there's definitely a little bit more color for the S23 Ultra. And it does seem like a little bit sharper too. Yeah, it seems a little bit sharper, so maybe a little bit better performance. That's nice. Of course, you do have the crazy 100 times zoom. That's absolutely insane. But yeah, I really like the feel of this phone. I still need to peel all of these off, I think. Jeez, they make these hard to get off without nails. No, there's one on the bottom too. Oh Lord. All right, I'm not even gonna worry about that one right now. Or this one over here. We'll worry about that later. So let's take a quick look at the S Pen. Feels really nice. And of course, you still have that amazing clicky action. Really nice to fidget with. And it's just satisfying to click. Get that nice little satisfying haptic feedback whenever you push it on the phone. I'm not sure why the phone is getting hot, but the phone is definitely getting warm, like up around the camera. Oh, it's still setting it up. That's probably why. I did go with the Phantom Black color because it did seem like the best option to go with. I thought about getting the white, I believe it's called the cream color, but ultimately ended up settling for the black. Can never go wrong with black. So let me know in the comments which color you guys are going to pick, and let me know if you are picking up the S23 Ultra yourself or if you're gonna hold out. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.